Welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing 50 of the biggest and most powerful heavy equipment machines ever built. These machines aren't just massive, they are marvels of modern engineering, designed to tackle the most challenging tasks on the planet. From towering construction cranes to colossal mining trucks, these giants dominate their industries with their sheer size and unmatched power. Let's dive into this world of heavy machinery and explore what makes each one so impressive. First, let's look at the giants of the construction world. These machines are built to move mountains, literally and figuratively, with their incredible strength and precision. The largest hydraulic excavator in the world, weighing over 1,000 tons. This beast weighs over 800 tons and is equipped with a bucket that can hold 40 cubic yards of material. It's designed for large-scale excavation projects, capable of moving immense quantities of earth. Combining advanced technology with brute force, this excavator is ideal for the most demanding construction projects. It's built for power and efficiency, handling the toughest jobs with ease. Let's not forget the agricultural sector, where some of the largest and most powerful machines are used to feed the world. These machines bring scale and efficiency to farming operations. The most powerful combine harvester in the world, designed for large-scale farming operations. It can harvest vast fields in a fraction of the time, maximizing efficiency and yield. A beast in the field, this tractor is one of the most powerful on the market. Its unique quad-track system provides superior traction and control, even in the toughest conditions. This machine holds the Guinness World Record for the most wheat harvested in 8 hours. It's a high-capacity machine that brings unparalleled efficiency to farming. The most powerful standard tractor in the world, it's built for versatility and strength, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. Another top-tier combine harvester, known for its advanced technology and immense power. It's designed to handle the largest farms with ease, maximizing productivity and efficiency. This machine can move nearly 100 tons of material in a single scoop, making it indispensable on large construction sites. This is the most powerful mobile crane ever built, capable of lifting 1,200 tons. Its telescopic boom can extend to a height of 100 meters, allowing it to reach towering structures with ease. Known as the King of the Hill, this is the largest bulldozer ever built. It stands over 16 feet tall and can push over 90 cubic yards of material in a single pass. And there you have it, the 50 biggest and most powerful heavy equipment machines in the world. These machines are engineering masterpieces, combining sheer size with incredible power to perform tasks that are essential for industries around the globe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of heavy machinery, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos showcasing the most amazing machines on the planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.